Good morning, students. Hope you all are enjoying at home, fit and fine, following all the guidelines and obeying your parents. Now it is your moral science classes, and as all of you know, moral science is to not to read, write and pass the examination. Whatever moral values we are studying, we have to cultivate those values inside us, isn't it? And this was the chapter love. And what is love? Love is a special feeling that comes from our heart, and it is caring for someone, treating them with kindness and respect, and accepting them as they are, as our parents does. Even we do mistake after mistake after mistake, they keep on forgiving us, and they keep on there and they keep on trying for our betterment. This is called love. This is a story of cat and mouse. This is a fake story, not real, because cat and mouse can't live together, my dear. All of you know that cat eats up the mouse. But this is only to explain the positive thing. What positive thing mouse thought about the cat? And this you can see in this way. When cat was sick, first the mouse saw from the hole, and that she is sick, she is shivering with cold, and then what she did, she became very happy. See here, the mouse became very happy. Here the cat is sick, and mouse became very happy that cat is going to die, and she started singing and dancing that cat is having fever and now she will die. But instead of, when someone is sick or someone is not feeling nice, what we do, we feel bad about them. We feel sad when any of our friend or parents or family member is sick. We feel very sad. We don't feel happy. But here the cat was troubling. It was the mistake of cat also. The cat was troubling the mouse, so the mouse felt sad, and when he was sick, he was dancing and singing. But see in this picture how the mouse is serving the cat in her mouth. How this changes happened when the mouse realized the benefit which the cat gave her. And you can see in here, see, after some times the mouse decided to eat his lunch, but he did not feel hungry. Why? Because he remembered the cat's sickly face and thought all the positive things, that if cat runs after me, that keeps me active. If she frightens me, that makes me regular in praying to God for help, and without her my life would be boring. Here one thing I want to say, all of you, my dear, it doesn't happen that when we are frightened or when we are in need, then only we should pray to God. We should always develop to pray God every day, early in the morning and at night. Early in the morning we should ask help, we should ask stamina from God, that give us so much strength that we can help others also, those who are in need, and we can do always the good things we should be done. And at night while going to the bed, we should always thank to God for this wonderful life, so good parents, teachers, friends, everything which we have got. This two thing is very important in our life, my dear. Asking help early in the morning and saying thank you to God while sleeping at night. And third thing is the positive thought. Here see, the cat was disturbing the mouse, but after she has fallen ill, what mouse is thinking? That she runs after me, but it keeps me active. She frightens me, that makes me regular in praying to God, and without her my life would be boring, because freely she was roaming about, she was doing whatever she wanted, and free from every type of frightens. Okay, now next, so he decided to help the cat. First he cooked some food for her, then she went and got some medicines for her. In this way he looked after her for many days. Finally the cat, who is he here? He is the mouse. Okay. Finally the cat was back on her feet and healthy again. After she became alright, they remained good friends. And what happened here, when the cat fell sick, he realized all the good things about mouse. First, mouse realized all the positive things, and after that cat has realized here all the good deeds which mouse have done for him. And then what happens, let us see. As time went by, their love for each other increased. They were always looking for ways to help each other. They lived for many years together. They would often say it is better to be friends than enemies. And my dear, definitely in our real life also, if we are not able to make friends, I will tell you, don't make enemies. Means we should love everyone, serve everyone, and in this way, my dear, only your family members should be not in your life. This entire world should be our family. We should think about this, and according to that only we should serve everyone. Now there are some question and answers here. Why was the mouse happy to see the cat sick? And what was the reason, my dear? We will start the answer from here, the mouse, and we will add was here. Happy to see the cat sick. Why? In the chapter you have studied, because the cat always troubled the mouse, and we will add this. Because the cat always troubled the mouse. This was the reason. So this much you will copy from the question, and then you will add because the cat always troubled the mouse. This was only the reason. Now let us see the next question. What is love? And in the first page of this chapter, you can see what is love. There is a short notes hole, but in short we can say love is a special feeling that comes from our heart. If anyone is disturbing our child, if anyone is scolding, beating, or talking or complaining about our child, we feel very sorry, we feel sad. This feeling, if anyone scolds you, beats you, or anyone tries to hurt you, my dear, I become sad, and this feeling is called love. Love is a feeling, it can't be shown. We can't see the love. This is only a feeling. You will see your parents is working from day to night, and you will fight with the parents. They will also scold you, make you shut your mouth. But again they will come and do the same thing. Like your teachers, again and again you are doing wrong, they are erasing, they are again, means they are not losing the hope to improve you. This is called love. Why did the mouse help the cat? And see the answer. The mouse helped the cat because he thought, she runs after me, that makes me active. She frightens me, that makes me regular in praying to God for help. Without her, my life will be boring. Means all the positive things. The mouse thought about all the positive things. When they were living together, they were not thinking about the positive things. But as they were separated, means the cat was sick and was not with her, she came to know the importance of cat. As you all are not obeying your parents, but as your mother is out of your home for one day, you realize what she does for you. This happened with the mouse also. Mouse came to realize that how much support and all the positive things about the cat, and then she started helping the cat. How did the cat fell sick? And this happened with us also, with me also, with you also. The cat got wet in the rain and fell sick. We also want to take bath in rain, my dear, and like that only cat was also, she got wet and she fell sick. How did they live thereafter? And thereafter they lived for many years together, looking for ways to help each other. After that they means a strong bond cultivated between both of them, and that bond was of love. When they realized each other's importance, they became good friends, and after that they lived for many years together, looking for ways to help each other. Next is your quotation: truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtues. And as all of you know that we should always cultivate the habit of speaking truth. It doesn't matter that we are get punished, but if we are truthful, if this moral value is acquired, all other moral values are easy to cultivate in our day-to-day life. See here, truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtues. Without truthfulness, progress and success in all the word of God are impossible for any soul. When this holy attribute is established in man, all the divine qualities will be also acquired. Okay, now my dear, thank you, and all of you will do your work very neatly. First of all, you will write CW and date, and then you will start your work. Thank you, my dear.